Hello students, today we are going to discuss the first numerical of Castigliano's method. Question is written as find the vertical displacement of joint C in the given frame. Now we need to find the vertical displacement of joint C of the given frame having support A as fixed and is having a 10 kN load acting at joint C. Now the span length of BC will be equals to 2 meter and for AB it will be equals to 4 meter and the EI is constant for this frame. Now for finding the vertical displacement of joint C we need to replace this 10 kN load by W. So we had just replaced this 10 kN load by W. Now for finding the vertical displacement we need to compute the moment about this x-axis as well as moment about this x-axis. Okay. Now due to the point load of W, the moment which will be acting on this x axis will be equals to minus W into x, and the minus sign is because of hogging bending moment. Okay. Now due to this point load of W there will be a anti-clockwise movement of magnitude 2W, and due to the joint equilibrium of B we will have a moment of clockwise nature of magnitude 2W in the span AB. Now we had computed the moment in span BC. Now in moment in span AB will be equals to, now moment along this x-axis will be equals to minus 2W. Minus sign is because of hogging bending moment. Now we had again computed the moment in the span AB which will be equals to minus 2W. Now we will fill this table for member BC and BA. Mx will be equals to minus W into x and BA will be equals to minus 2W. Now we need to compute the del mx upon del W value, for which we need to differentiate the mx equation with respect to W. So for span BC its value will be equals to minus x, and for span BA its value will be equals to minus 2. Now we need to compute the value of integration mx into del mx upon del W into dx upon EI. Now for span BC we will put the value, that is integration 0 to 2 minus wx into minus x dx upon EI. Its value will be equals to 8w upon 3EI. Now similarly we will put the value in BA and we will have the value which will be equals to 16w upon 3I. Now we had computed the value for BC and BA span. Now we just calculate the deflection which will be equals to sum of both this value, that is 8w upon 3I and the 16w upon 3I. Now we will have the total displacement, that is 56w upon 3I, which will be the displacement of joint C in terms of W. Now we will have the value of W equals to 10 kilonewtons. So we just put the value of W in this equation. We will have the displacement of joint C in the vertical direction equals to 186.67 upon EI. Now we had computed the vertical displacement of joint C, which will be equals to 186.67 upon EI. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.